Design thinking process. There are 5 stages of design thinking process: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Let's understand in detail. First is empathize. Empathize is a discovery phase in which we try to know our users, understand the user's emotion, how he uses a product, observe him, engage with him. What can be the journey of our user? What is the behavior of our user? What is the pattern? Let's try to understand that so that we can verify our user's problem and solve it. So, what we do for empathize? We do user interview in the first step so that we can know our user's behavior. We get to know the emotions and understand what are the challenges, pain points of our users and what is the motivation. Survey. We do survey. Through the survey, we get the clarity of what the user needs, what they want. In empathy mapping, we get to know the users, how does user think, what does he see, what does he hear, and what he say and what he does. So this is called empathize. Through the app, we get to know our users and create a valuable product for them. Define. We have got all the information through the empathize. We collect all the data in one place. We bundle all the information in one place. We are able to define our target audience. As the product, we are designing who is our user. We are able to synthesize user need, which is important for the user. We define the user problem for the user point of view, create insights in define, we define persona, and we get to know the user's pain point, do they have challenges, know the need of the users and create insights. What is the motivation of our users? Goal is to use a product which allow us to know what the user need. User journey. We create user journey and what are their emotions at every stage. What can there be opportunities? What can be the touch points? What can be the channels while using that product? Then we create all these in defines. Our focus in Ideate is that we generate a lot of ideas. We get creative through many ideas to solve any problem. Later we refine our ideas. In Ideate, we do brainstorming and make affinity diagram. In affinity diagram, we paste all our ideas on the wall and then we categorize and then evaluate and apply. We do a storyboard in it, create a low fidelity wireframe in it. We are very quick to show our ideas on wireframe. Prototype is very simple and very fast to test your ideas, to interact and experience with that. We can create a low fidelity prototype in it. We can create a high fidelity prototype. Through the prototype, we are able to understand what is feasible to the user. What else can we make a paper prototype in it? We can make a high fidelity mockup in it. Test. Through the prototype, we are able to test it with our users. We are able to take feedback. In the test, we share our prototype to the users so that users are able to interact with our product and give us valuable feedback. And we improve our product through those feedbacks. So these 5 stages of design thinking process. We refine our product, whatever feedback we got after the testing. So for that, we have to go to the ideate and change the product to better the possible changes that we have. And then we have to test with our users again. This process keeps repeating like this. We keep testing our product with the users and get valuable feedback through the users. Through that, we improve our product and further better.